People are pretty surprised what it does.
Single sub gets pretty loud.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
All right. Anything under the hood?
Nothing special, it's just a JS all.
Can I see?
Yeah.
You know how I am. Nice. All right. What vehicle?
It's a 93 S10 Blazer.
Okay. Go sit. All right, go in there. All right. So your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Dalton Frame. I have a single Sundown Audio compact Neo V2 15 and on a Ruthless Audio 2300.
Okay.
And just a little speaker, Down for Sound mids right there, and the DS18 horns. They're on a Down for Sound, the JP84.
Yeah. Sweet. How was your SKL score on it today?
It was trash. It should have done a 153 is what was the projection, but with it being so hot,
Yeah.
it was down in score. Done a 152.45.
Oh, half a dB then. Yeah.
Half dB. It was a half dB down.
Dang. Got some roof work done.
Yeah, it could use more.
Yeah. What is that sub rated at?
It's rated really whatever you want to put on it. It's being compact, compact.
Yeah. Tuned about, I would have to say 44, 45 hertz? 41, okay.
You can tell it likes the highs a little bit. I told you.
Yep.
People are pretty surprised what it does when they hear
Oh yeah,
it.
single sub gets pretty loud.
Yeah.
Mid 30s to 50s plus probably.
Yeah, it likes like 31 hertz up to the 50s.
Okay. Very nice. And you can adjust that port?
Yeah, that's actually the demo port. I have a port I can shorten up to go into the lanes if I decide to.
What is it like on a higher note? Like in the 50 hertz range or?
Yeah, in the 50s, into the
Okay.
50s. I've never really tested to see what it does or what's bandwidth, but I just know it likes low 30s up to high 50s.
Yes, sir.
50s.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't seen you. Well, I did see you at what show was? I seen you at the high voltage, but I couldn't demo there on the thing.
Yeah, it's all good.
Often imitated. This motherfucker's always imitated, but never duplicated. DJ Rusticles.
Bitch, hop up in this Chevy. Ass so big, you look like you got a Murphy, no Eddie. I'll walk it out, I'm gon' chalk it out. Girl, you gon' need this. Raising hell and I put that on Jesus. These niggas don't. And you ain't did what I did. From where I'm from, you gotta get it how you live. Everybody already know he's a real street nigga.
mid 30s to 50s plus, probably.
Yeah,
right?
it likes like 31 hertz up to the 50s.
Okay, very nice. And you can adjust that port.
Yeah,
length
that's
and-
actually the demo port. I have a port I can shorten up to go into the lanes if I decide
Yeah.
to.
What is it like on a higher note? Like in the 50 hertz range or?
Yeah, in the
40s?
50s, into the
Okay.
50s. I mean, I've never really like tested to see what it does or what
Yeah.
it's bandwidth, but I just know it likes low 30s up to high 50s.
Yes, sir.
50s.
Oh yeah. All right, you done some work. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for the demo. Nice to
Appreciate
meet you again. You're welcome.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you.
You too. Good seeing you again, man.
Yeah, I hadn't seen you. Well, I did see you at oh shoot, what show was it? I seen you at the high voltage, but I couldn't demo there on the thing.
Yeah, it's all good. You have a good day, man.